Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to spin your images or videos, or rotate them, whatever you would like to call it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on toggle animation, and then go to the very end, go back a keyframe, and then type in 360. And that's going to make it 1 times 0, and that is how you rotate it in Premiere Pro. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you want to go down to the 10 second mark, or wherever the end of your clip you would like it to go. Hit on track motion. Make sure you have a keyframe up here too. And then, oops, didn't mean to do that. A little bit wider. And then go down to the 10 second mark. Click on track motion. Go up to here where it says angle, and then type in 360. And there you go. That is how to rotate or spin your images in Premiere Pro. If you like these tutorials, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.